Hi everyone, and welcome to our 2019 Garden Trends video series, where we take a deeper dive into the 8 garden trends detailed in our Garden Trends report. If you haven't checked that out, there's a link below in the description. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the root to stem trend. 4.4 pounds of waste is trashed daily by each American. That's 1,600 pounds per year, or the weight of a U-Haul truck. Currently, only 9% of plastics are being recycled, and 8 million metric tons a year are being dumped into the ocean, including 500 million plastic straws which are discarded daily. 1/3 of all food globally is wasted each year. But many people are trying to make a change. From plastic straws to brewery grain flour, waste that normally ends up in landfills is being upcycled or eliminated entirely. Upcycling isn't new, but expectations are. A worldwide shift is zeroing in on the need for sustainable solutions, such as the root to stem movement, which is about getting people to see the whole food item as being useful in the kitchen, thereby reducing food waste. Food wastage is increasingly on the rise, and one of the numerous ways people are reducing it is by adopting root to stem cooking. Farmers occasionally leave the leaves on the root of vegetables like carrots and beets, and then consumers throw out those parts when cleaning, not realizing that all the leaves, stem, and other parts can be used in the kitchen. Not to mention, these parts contain more nutrients than the edible parts. But what exactly do you do with those parts? How can you incorporate them into your daily cooking methods? Well, there's many ways, like soups, salads, sauces, stir-fry, or even smoothies. Making the switch to practicing this method of cooking isn't too hard. It might be confusing at first, as you may be unsure what parts can be used for. Luckily, there's many resources out there to find recipes that encourage root to stem cooking, so be sure to try some out. But let's be honest, not everyone is going to be interested in eating all the parts, but there's still a way for you to reduce food waste. Let's imagine you buy a banana. You're feeling good that you're eating something natural, it's not packaged so you aren't contributing to plastic waste, but what do you do with the peel? It's biodegradable, right? So you figure you can just toss it in the trash. But unfortunately, as you might know, that peel is just going to end up in a landfill. And since landfills have waste packed together so tightly, it becomes almost impossible for it to biodegrade. The EPA says that food is the largest waste in landfills, more than diapers, styrofoam, and tires combined. So if you don't plan to eat the peel, and I can't blame you for not trying that, the next best thing is composting. Compost can reduce household waste by almost 40%, and it's easy. While there are many products to help you compost, such as tumblers, which are a great option to help streamline the process and produce compost in as little as 4 weeks, you can also simply just dig a hole. When you don't have the option of composting in a bin or pile, you can still make compost and enrich your soil. Dig and drop composting is a great solution for the busy gardener because you don't have to worry about harvesting the compost. The organic matter breaks right down in the garden, and the resulting compost enriches the soil and provides nutrients to nearby plants. Composting is the new recycling, making healthy food to help Mother Earth survive and thrive. And as always, for more information or to see what else we have to offer, visit our website at www.gardenmediagroup.com.